Okay, another project going on here. Mounting this on a, what is it, 1 inch thick plate? Yeah, Calterello. Let's take a look. Short video only. Let's look it up online. Torello. Okay. Not sure exactly what it is for, but it's industrial, I'm sure. So this moves back and forth. Like a compound. Oh yeah. Getting ideas already. Okay. So I gotta drill holes, mount it. This one, fixing that up. This broke. And it's hardened steel, so what I'll do is, this broke, step there, is get a torch, heat it up and needle it, and drill a hole to the broken part to the other part with high tensile strength. Both. So that'll be fixed. It's going to be running soon too. Cool. Always busy. 1 minute and 37 seconds.